Hello everyone. Today we will be going to see about the pre-increment and the post-increment operator and different questions regarding that. So these both have the different representation as you can see here. So you only have to remember these two lines and it is very important. So in the pre-increment, value is first incremented but assigned at the last, and in the post increment, value is first assigned but incremented after that. So these you will get the meaning of these two lines when I am going to solve the questions. So here the value of I is 2. So this is the post increment operator. So value is first assigned here. Assigned means that we are going to solve this expression, and compiler basically takes the values from left to right and start evaluating from left to right. So assigned means here the value that put in the expression becomes 2 here, but the value of I becomes incremented after the value is being assigned. So the value of I here is 3. Now till here the value of I is 3. This is pre-decrement operator. Value is first decremented then assigned. So first decremented the value which becomes 2 and then assigned. So the final answer will be the addition of these two values, which will become 4. So let's check the output of this program. This expression is given. So the compiler starts evaluating the expression from left to right, but it only takes the two values at a time and evaluate them and then take the next value. It does not evaluate the whole expression at once. So it is the post decrement operator. So value is first being assigned and then decremented, which becomes 1. So and then moves to the next. So value is first decremented, which becomes 0, and then assigned, which becomes 0. So we first need to evaluate the result of these two values first, which becomes 2 here, and then the value of I till here is 0. So the value is first being assigned and then incremented after that, so which becomes 2, and then here. So the value of I till here is 1. So it is first incremented the value of I and then assigned. So it will be assigned as 2 here. So the final answer, the value of A is 4. Let's check the output of this program. So here the value of I is 2. Post decrement operator. So first is being assigned and then decremented. It is pre-decrement operator. First it will be decremented and then assigned, because compiler had to evaluate these two values first. So the result here is 2, and then it takes that value. So the value of I till here is 0. Is assigned the value as 0 for the evaluation of the expression, and the value of I becomes here is -1, and then it will take so value of I till here is -1. It will assign that value and increment it after that, so which becomes 0. So the final value of I here is 0, but the final value of the expression here is 1. Let's check the output of this program. The value of I is 2. We will decrement the value but assign at the last, right? So we do not assign it yet, because in the pre-increment the value is being assigned at the very last step, because the I value can change in the expression. Value of I till here is 1. So we have to increment the value first, which will become 2, and then assign at all the places where the pre-increment operator is used, and then we evaluate the result, which will becomes 0. So the final result that will be got printed as the value of a is 0. Let's check the output of this program. Value is first being assigned, which is 2, and then incremented, which becomes 3. Here the value is first being incremented, so the value till here is 3. Increment the value and then assign it, because the compiler had to evaluate the first two expression. That's why we need to assign the value. So calculate the result, which becomes -2. So the value of I till here is 4. First increment the value, which will become 5, and then assign it, which is 5. So 5 will be added to -2. So the final output that we will get as the value of a is 3. Let's check the output of this program. Any problem in this type of the questions, let me know in the comment section. I will try to solve. Thanks for watching.